Hey guys, I'm Mousy. This is Mousy Motors. I'm showing you guys how to install these struts on your Honda CRV RD1 instead of having this flimsy thing. I bought these strut retrofit kit on Amazon. Comes with 2 struts, 2 brackets that actually go on the hood, and then 2 ball studs that go on the fender themselves. These 4 bolts are pretty much replacement bolts for the hood itself, where the hinges go. And I'll be showing you guys how to install all that. First thing we're going to do is remove this 10mm right here. We'll be using it with a 10mm socket. Switch over to a sock ratchet since the gun wasn't strong enough to remove it. We're just going to remove this bolt right here. Next we're going to install this right here, this ball stud on this side. This one's going to be a 12mm socket. To install the stud, make sure you put the washer flat side down. Just like that. And we're doing the same thing on this side. And it's going to be that middle fender bolt that we have to remove. Now we're going to install this piece right here, but we have to actually take off these 2 10s on the hood itself. I'm going to be using a paint marker to mark my hood hinge so that we don't lose the actual adjustment that it was prior. I'm going to be installing this bracket. You want the flat side to be against the hood hinge itself, and then this curve is going to be pretty much on the outside of the hood. Pretty much put this in front of the hood hinge. This is what it looks like with the bracket on. I ended up using the bolts that they provided because they were a little bit longer. Especially how thick this metal piece is. The OEM bolt wasn't long enough to hold on to that. And then I used my old marking to help me align the hood bracket to its original position. Now we're just going to install this strut, 2 ball studs. Just like that. We'll be doing the same thing to this side. Marking our old position. We're not using a permanent marker. This washes off with some water. Just removing the old bolts. Same thing we did on the other side. Definitely recommend someone to help you hold the hood. We're just going to reinstall this bracket. tight. Now we're just gonna reinstall this strut as well. Click on the top. Then bottom goes on. Make sure all the clips are engaged so that it doesn't fall off on you. That is it. Now we install both struts. Now we can get rid of this thing. That's pretty much it with these installed. This hood actually goes up a lot further up than with the original hood prop. But what I like about this now is that there is definitely no hood prop in the way for when you're working on the motor itself. It's really open, so. And that's pretty much it, guys. I know my car's like super dirty, the engine bay, so I'll probably do a little video on me cleaning it up, cleaning everything out. But if you like the content, like, comment, and subscribe.